Kia ora all. So we bought the Aurora Spa of portablespas.co.nz. Oh, absolutely amazing company, hassle-free, I think. So if you're looking at getting this model, go for it. As you see, we've got it all set up. The lights are all going. So if any of you are wondering how the lights go, they go on the outside here. Here they are here. There's little bands going all the way around the outside here. Just in case if you're wondering. And you get your chlorine startup kit. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And to undo the clips here, if you're wondering, push the center tab here. I don't know if hopefully you can see it. There, and the side ones. Oh, look at that one hand. So, give you a fair idea what's going on. Look at that. Wonderful. She's ready. Now the max temperature is 38 degrees. It's 3 settings, there's bubbles. Honestly, I recommend this thing if you're looking at a portable spa. Sorry about the cover, everyone. We've had some rain and it's finally dried up. We just come back from a holiday. So as you can see, it's out in the weather. See? It's out in the open, and look how good she looks. It's been here. We've had it for about coming on to 2 months now. The lights, they don't stay one colour. You can't pick the colour. They are multiple colour. So they just keep changing, intertwining. So it's up to you if you want to put the light in or not. We've been trying this nearly every night since we've been back. And when we first got it, and this thing is honestly, this thing is awesome, absolutely awesome. It's huge. Like, let's step out from our step here. So 3 big steps. So that's around about 3 meters. So it'll be around about 3 by 3. Little bubble in. So it's quite easy to set up. So what you do is you unpack it all. You plug it in. If you don't understand the instructions, they're pretty simple. But if you like, the instructions don't say anything about the light, that I've noticed. So like I just showed you right at the start there, that's how you do it. You feed it all the way through there, and it comes into a plug. And yeah, but we just keep it simple. As you can see, we're out it's out in the open. So if you're worried about it being out in the open, no fear. It's been a few months already, and it's awesome. So I've just filled it up. So how we're going? Yep, she's still heating. Now change the temperature. You hold this down. It goes from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So there you go. Bubbles. There's 3 different speeds. This one here I only have on. I put this on. I try to put it on every day to kill any bacteria. I'm learning. So that's it with the cover off, the bladder. There's the oxyzone going. Here's my previous message. I've got the oxyzone going now. And it's pretty simple. So what you do is you inflate it, and you read the instruction that tells you to increase the bubble and the up at the same time, and that will inflate it. And what you do is you fill it up to there,